Hi, Matt from Redline Systems. Today I wanted to do just a short video to show you guys our 54-inch rock bucket we sell for the 1 and 2 series John Deere tractors. We sell these in 2, 3, and 4-inch tine spacings. Today I'm using my 2038. We're in a little food plot here. We dug it up already once. Now we just need to come along and pick up the rocks. Let's get started. Alright, hopefully this video gave you guys an idea, one of the many uses of these rock buckets. One of the biggest questions that I get is how to choose between the tine spacings, mostly between the 2 and the 3-inch. Today I chose the 3-inch. Here we have a lot of black dirt and clay and a little bit of grass mixed in between. The 3-inch just seems to be a little better option for that. If you have a more sandy type of bottom, the 2-inch spacing would certainly be the better choice. If you're interested in any of these buckets, please go on redlinesysteminc.com to order today. Thank you.